Very good day. This is the activity of English 4, produced by Albeiro Aya González. Unit 2, Task 4. The door, shown is Xavier Galeano, unwrapped. Effects of technology on the environment. As we can see, the effect of technology is bad or good. Effects of meaning and technology have destroyed natural ecosystems. We can see other dates as the technology have bad influence in effect toxics as a computer, a screen damage, and we can see effect positive as solar power. Employment have used this technology. Solar power is the promised savior of our environment, and we all the dates can see on average computer screen contains up to 8 pounds of lead. The future of our planet. We see in this picture times of the world as 119. We can see this planet have ice, and in the time of 2005 we don't have nothing of it in the planet. The impact of global warming on melting of glaciers is something we as a civilized human society can ignore. Countries worldwide should use less coal and more reusable power like hydro or solar power. We also can contribute in the mitigate the environmental damage. In this picture, we see one air, one water, land, very good. But in other picture, we can see damage in the environment. Effects on the health and the body of the humans, mitigation measure and challenge. The employment can use strategies of social responsibility oriented to recycling. We can to mitigate ecology technology, solar energy, and we can participate of volunteers in recovery of forests. We can use more damages for other things as conscience of one responsible society. Thank you so much.